Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial to get this amazing Passion Twist River Goddess Locs hair extensions. This is a crochet hairstyle. You will need Passion Twist River Goddess Locs hair extensions. These are synthetic crocheted hair extensions. In this video I use 22 inches blonde color extensions. I use 4 packs for this hairstyle. First step is braiding my natural hair to create a foundation for the crochet hair extensions. I begin by sectioning my natural hair into 4 quadrants. I secure my hair by gently twisting and using hair clips. This ensures my hair remains stretched and easy to manage. I apply leave-in conditioner to nourish and moisturize. I comb through to ensure the hair is well detangled and easy to braid. For the front 2 quadrants, I partitioned and braided my hair into 6 cornrows on each side. For the back 2 quadrants, I will section the hair into a total of 3 cornrows on each side, progressing from lateral to medial. After partitioning hair for the first back cornrow, I crisscross and braid 2 front cornrows together, and then join them to the back cornrow. At the end of each back cornrow, I have a braided end. I section the next back cornrow and detangle. I repeat, crisscrossing the next 2 front cornrows and join them to one back cornrow. The purpose of the crisscross is to disrupt and merge the cornrows so that I don't have single cornrows that go all the way from the front to the back. I will connect the tail end of the preceding cornrow to the cornrow that I'm currently braiding to tack the preceding end away. I repeat the process on the opposite side. After partitioning hair, I crisscross and braid 2 front cornrows together and then join them to the back cornrow. I repeat, crisscrossing the next 2 front cornrows and join them to one back cornrow. Again, I will connect the end of the preceding cornrow to the cornrow that I am currently braiding to tack the preceding end away. This creates a better foundation for the crochet hair, which gives a more natural final look and versatility. To reposition the crochet hair in a middle partition, left partition, or right partition, or in a pony. For the top midline, I crisscross across the midline from the left to the right side to ensure the midline partition is interrupted. Again, I incorporate the tail end of the preceding row into the row that I'm currently braiding to tuck it away. In the end, one tail will remain. I will use a crochet needle to tack this end into the back. This will ensure all my natural hair is secure. The crochet needle has a hash which opens and closes. I pass the crochet needle through the cornrow hair with the hash open. I grab the end of the braid that I want to tack away, close the hatch, and pull the crochet needle through together with the hair. I repeat until the hair is not easily visible. Installing the crochet hair extensions. Each strand has a loop. Insert your index finger through the loop. I pass the crochet needle through the cornrow hair with the hash open. Install the hair extension in the open hash. Close the hatch and pull the crochet needle through. I open the hash and remove the hair from the crochet needle. I pass the hair extension strand through the open loop. I then pull the loop tight. I will repeat installation of the hair strands, moving from the back to the front. The spacing of the strand was about 1 finger width to ensure that the knots are aligned and hidden. Always pass the crochet needle from the same side for each cornrow. Fill in any large gaps and ensure the knots are tight. And this is how the hair turned out. It feels truly lightweight and soft. The two-tone contrast is unique. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you can get notified when I upload new content. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.